favor when I apply what's in my mind and do better. Yeah, I apply what's inside my mind just to do better. Yup, and if you don't know, I know. Gotta do better, or correct things. Correction is great. Every day's a good day, some days great. Today's better than yesterday, even though I say the same thing. Don't live with neglecting, rather reflecting. And my reflection, when I look in the mirror, I see things clearer, and I don't fear my reflection. And the collection sucks, but it's all good, cause life goes on, you already know. Even if it don't fire up stove, it's good. If I have cut down for 2 packs of those, and then that shows improvement that I ain't losing. Matter of fact, I'm winning cause I'm in it to win it, and I'm feeling like ever since the beginning I'm just in it to win it. And if I lose or I come up short, then that's good. That's life, and it's better than dead in the physical flesh. And realistically, I know that's the only thing that I'm promised. But until then, I'm apply all of the knowledge that I know. Yeah, and I'm trying to do better. Get trying, I'ma make it happen. I ain't laughing, but sometimes you gotta laugh it off, as I'm just feeling like it. I'm just gonna do better. Correct things, and correction is great. Every day's a good day, some days is great. At least it's what they say. Ay. And even if that's the same, or the good old saying, honestly and theoretically, hypothetically, ain't a reality. I feel as if in my belief it's a great mentality to have in life. When you're doing whatever you're doing, and as far as what I'm doing and pursuing, I'm just trying to do better and have a conscious mind when I have an ultimatum in life, and I gotta make a decision like as if I knew better. That means I learn, and you're never too old to learn. At least that's my opinion. That's what I'm on. That's an acronym. I am all. Or in my conclusion, or in conclusion, let's all do better. Let's correct things, let's correct our mistakes, and do certain things different. But we is all on the same page as far as mathematics and math, and this ain't math class, but it's all good. It's when it comes to fractions, and we all have the same common denominator, which is that we're trying to do better. And we all have the same numerator as well, as far as a fraction. And that's that we all the same. We all trying to do better at a different time in life, as well as pertaining to a different thing or specific thing that we're just trying to adjust or correct. But I believe that we can make it, us human beings, all of us, for real, all across the globe, you know? Yeah. Let's go. That's what I'm on. I'm trying to do better. And I do the same repetitive thing, the same thing over and over and over and over and over. Correct my mistakes from a conscious mind, from my past tense and my previous, from my testament and my testimony in life. As if I knew better, let's do better. Correct things, a correction is great. And shout to that good old saying, every day is a good day, and some days are great. Even though today I'd say the same thing that I said yesterday, then today may be better than yesterday. If every day is a good day, and some days great, even if it seems horrible or bad, at least it's good.